Mabuhay! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we're back for another video reaction. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Love. So for today's video guys, we'll to react on this talented artist from Philippines, Stel Ahero, as he performed the song Mapa. I think this one guys is Eric Santos milestone concert in last June 2024, and wow, I'm so excited because this is the first time that I'll be listening to this song as he performed this nang siya lang without the other SB19 members. So I'm really so excited. But before I start this video, big shout out to all SB19 fans. Big shout out to you guys, and also Stel Ahero fans. Big shout out to you, and also 18. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much. Well, I'm so excited. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. This is one of the song of SB19 na paborito ko. And iyak ako tuwing napahinggan ko to guys. Naiyak na ako. Oh, wow.
Thank you so much.
Wow, tumayo-balayo ko. Once again. There you have it, guys. The Mapa. Performed by Stell Ahero. Wow. You know, guys, tuwing napapakinggan ko itong kanta to, talagang sobrang nagiging emotional ako kasi gusto ko yung lyrics ng kanta. At the same time, yung harmony niya, talagang sobrang mararamdaman ng puso mo. Talagang i-absorb talaga ng puso mo, guys. And wow, once again, ang ganda ng pagkaka-perform ni Stell ng kantang ito. Even though, you know, guys, walang ibang SB19 members and yet, sobrang ang ganda ng pagkakakanta ni Stell. And, wow, wala akong masabi. Naiyak ako. Gusto ko kasi yung kanta nito, guys. Pasensya na. Anyway, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed your reaction video for today. I hope you didn't cry with me listening to it, guys. Because panigurado at alam ko na habang pinapakinggan nyo ang performance na ito, talagang napapaluha kayo. Dahil sobrang emotional to, guys. And sobrang ganda ng liriko ng kantang ito. And if you want to watch a full video in this, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below. Hope you check it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please still like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my videos. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day today. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.